Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to add reviews to the bottom of your Shopify store. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open your Shopify admin page, log into your Shopify account and go to your admin page. Now, after going on admin page, click apps, click the apps button. After clicking the apps button, type in the search bar product reviews to install the app. In the search bar, you have to write product reviews to install the app. After installation of app, integrate this with Shopify, and there you have product reviews option. Then go to Shopify admin page again. Then click on online store button and then click on themes button. After clicking on themes button, click on the customize button. After clicking on customize button, click on the catalog button. Now after that, go to side menu bar. Click on product information button. After clicking on the product information, click on add block. Now after clicking on add block, you will click on reviews button. Now write down the reviews that you want to write about your product and click on the save button. Now again, click on apps. Click on apps button from the left side of your page and now click on product reviews. And there you go. Here are all the reviews that you would want to for your product. So that's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.